Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over my choreography for Vampire by Olivia Rodrigo. If you want to do this dance with music, learn it in this video first and then go ahead and find the link to the short that I posted earlier this week in my description box below. This dance is about an advanced beginner or intermediate level dance. So, and if you don't know any of the steps in this choreography, you can find them in the tap step tutorial playlist in the description box below as well. So if you want to do the dance with music, find the link down in the description box below. And if you don't know some of the steps, go ahead and find those in the tap step tutorials playlist linked below, and then come back and learn it in this video. Okay? All right, that was a lot of information. Let's go ahead and get started and enjoy. So we start the dance with a step 3-count riff. So we step on the right foot, 3-count riff on the left foot. So we have step, 3-count riff. Then the left foot goes step, 3-count riff right. And then to finish it off here, you go step and then a 7-count riff on your left. Okay, so it's step 3-count riff, step 3-count riff, step 7-count riff, ba ba da da. So let's give that a try. And 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're going to repeat that from the top. So once we finished our 7-count riff, you're going to go straight back into right foot, 3-count riff, left, 7-count. From here, you're going to go into 2 paradiddles, right side, left side. You have 1, 2, and then you have a variation on a paradiddle. So you're going to go dig, spank, step, heel, heel, right, left, spank, step, heel. So it's kind of a variation on an 8-count paradiddle. It has 8 counts in it. It's just that you will swing it out to the side and then back in. So it's dig, spank, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel. Again, that's dig, spank, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel. Okay, so that section starts with 2 paradiddles and then your 8-count. Now, weight is on the right foot. Left foot is free to go, so we're going to go 2 paradiddles starting left. And then that variation on an 8-count paradiddle on the left foot. So dig, spank, step, heel, heel, left, right this time, spank, step, heel. Okay, let's try that whole paradiddle section, right side, left side. We have 5, 6, 7, 8. Paradiddle, 8-count, left side, paradiddle, 8-count. Good. From here, weights on your left foot. So right foot's free to go. We're going to go into a single time step, then a double, and then a triple. So starting with your right foot, you're going to go 1, double, triple, and then from here, you're just going to stomp with your left, swing that foot around. As you swing that foot around, you're going to go heel, heel on the right, and then stomp left. Okay? So again, that's stomp left, heel, heel, right, stomp left, and just swing that left foot around. Okay, so from that time step section, we have a single, a double, a triple, and then a stomp, heel, heel, stomp. Let's give just that time step section a try. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Double, triple, stomp, heel, heel, stomp. Good. Weights on the left. With your right foot, you're going to go tap, tap, tap. In between those taps, you're going to go tap right, heel left, tap right again, toe left, tap right again, heel left, and then stomp. I believe it's that many. Yeah. So it's tap, heel, tap, toe, tap, heel, stomp. It's hard to do it slow. It's a little easier doing it faster. But what you want to think about with your left foot is that you're just crawling it towards the right side, and you'll just go heel, toe, heel. Yeah? And just in between, every other one is a tap. So you don't want to put any weight on that tap, on that right foot. You want to keep it just no weight at all. The weight is completely in your left foot, completely in your left leg. Okay, so after that stomp, after the tap, heel, tap, heel, tap, heel, tap, heel, tap, toe, stomp, you're going to go into weights on the right, left foot's ready to go. We're going to go into 2 5-count riffs, left, right. You're going to go 1, 2, and then a 9-count riff on your left. And I like to kind of do these as a crawl instead of just going forward and backward. I like to do them kind of as a crawl to work my way a little bit over to the left on this one. Gives it a little bit more of movement, if that makes sense. Okay, and then right after that 9-count riff, we're going to go step, step, right, left, and then a double or a syncopated pullback on your right. Okay? So that riff section again is, we stomped on the right, riff section starts left, 2 5-count riffs, a 9-count riff, and then a step, step, double pullback. So let's give that a try. Starting on the left foot, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, step, step, pull back. Okay? All right, let's try from the top, and I'll walk us through it with the terms as we go with the steps. And then we'll do it one more time up to tempo without me saying the names of the steps. So starting on the right foot with that step 3-count riff twice. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 7-count riff. Again. Paradiddle for 2. 8-count paradiddle. Time step single. Double, triple, stomp, heel, heel, stomp, step, heel, stomp, and then 5-count riff, 9-count riff, step, step, pull back. Nice. The one thing I forgot to mention before is that between the step, heel, step, toe, step, heel, stomp, there's going to be a slight pause before you go right into the riffs. Okay? Okay. So let's try it from the top again, up to speed. This time I'm not going to say the steps. Okay? And again, if you want to do this dance with music, you can find the link to that short that I posted earlier this week in the description box below. Okay, here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Nicely done. So this one ends on kind of a weird count, like in the middle of a count or something there. It's just how it works with the music and where I started it with the music. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. And if you have a question about a certain step, or if you want me to break down a certain step, go ahead and put that in the comment section below, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. And also, if you have any song recommendations that you want to give to me, go ahead and put that in the comment section below as well, and I will try to get to those as soon as possible as well. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.